All of this, I want to know one thing. This is the last question, which I ask almost every guest these days, is what is one advice nobody should follow? कोई घटिया एडवाइस दी हो किसी ने और वो किसी को फॉलो नहीं करनी चाहिए.
दो चीज़ें बोलूँगा. एक तो एक ये एडवाइस है कि कि इतना आसान नहीं है, या फिर इट्स नॉट सो सिंपल. दिस इज नेवर एवर फॉलो दिस एडवाइस.
कि बेकार एडवाइस है ये.
बिल्कुल बेकार एडवाइस है मेरे हिसाब से, कि इट्स नॉट सो सिंपल, इट इज़ नॉट सो इजी, यू डोंट नो, it's not so simple. ये वाली जो एडवाइस है, I think that this is one of the worst advices that is out there, because it discourages a lot of people to even pursue something. It is simple. The minute you get into something, you put your head around it. It is simple. It can be done. आपको बस लगे रहना है,
हो जाएगा,
कोशिश करनी, हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होगा. If somebody, like I said, if somebody can do it, you can also do it. Yeah, that is what the belief has to be there. So I don't think that this is the right advice in any which ways. It is not a good advice at all. And the second thing is, it has also happened that sometimes when I have tried to set up my ambition, which probably was much larger for that place, I don't know for whom, but for somebody, I have been told that कि अरे पहले इतना तो करो, फिर देखेंगे आगे. मतलब पहले scale it down, पहले इसको तो करो, फिर we will see that. And that is second thing that I would say कि don't,
bad advice, worst advice, don't follow.
Yeah, these are two things I would say.
True.